What's up, guys? So thank you for 10k subs. That was actually the goal for 2020, and we hit that a lot faster than I was expecting, actually. So appreciate you guys on that. And like I promised, this video is going to be showing you guys how much money I make on YouTube with 10k subs. So it should be about what you guys can expect once you reach that point, 10k subs. And then keep in mind, this is just the money that I make on YouTube ad revenue. I make a lot more money outside of YouTube, so selling beats, selling drum kits, all that. That's about 1,000 to 2,000 a month with all those things. So once you get to around here, you should be able to support yourself financially. 10k, maybe 20k subs is like around where you'll be able to quit your job, depending on how much money you get paid at your job. But I can live off of the amount that I'm getting right now. So just to jump right in, so far in the past 28 days, made $127, which is a little more than the previous month. And I should be making more if I stay consistent uploading videos and stuff, but I've been kind of slacking with that. So let's show you the analytics here, so I can break it down further. So this is how many views I've had in the past 28 days, 72k views, and that adds up to $127. So you get paid per views from people who don't have any type of ad blocker. So this is how many views I've had total, but not all of them didn't have ad blocker. So to get like a better estimate, they have this, which is showing you about how much money you're getting per 1,000 views. And I think this is how much you should be getting if nobody had ad blocker. But since a lot of people have ad blocker, this is how much you're getting per 1,000 views, $1.81. And it depends on your content. If you're doing like money videos, like how to make money, a lot of people are trying to advertise. So the more demand there is for that ad space, the more people are going to be willing to pay, which means you're going to get more money. But if you do maybe a different type of video that's less in demand, you're going to get less money. So I do tutorials and drum kits, and that's kind of more valuable than just beats. And I'll show you guys that in a second here. I get paid pretty much double if I do like a drum kit video than what I would if I did a beat. So if you're just doing beats, you could probably expect maybe $1.10 per 1,000 views. And then we'll go down here. So this shows you how much money I make per month, or how much money I've made per month. March, I was going super hard, uploading every day, and then April I was slacking, and then these months just average. But really, if I uploaded every day and just stayed on top of everything, it would keep going up and up and up each month, and by now I'd probably be at like 300 or something a month. And then this shows you the top earning videos in the past 28 days, but I'm going to show you first, I'm going to show you 90 days. So we made $345 in the past 90 days, and then lifetime. So this is how much I've made since I started my channel. And we started in 2015. I didn't really upload that many videos. I uploaded like one video in 2016, and then I first got monetized right here, 2017. And then this is when it kind of started taking off, 2019, end of 2019. So 1,700, which I'm going to show you how many views I got throughout the life of the channel. That's 1.8 million. So if you get like 1 million views per month, that roughly translates to $1,000 per month. So 2 million would be like 2,000 a month on average. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to aim for, is like I want to get to that point where I'm making this amount per month. That's my goal. And then so let's go down here. This shows you my top earning videos throughout the life of my channel. So like I said, Beat videos make about half. These two videos have about the same amount of views, but this one got half as much as this one. And I'll even show you real quick in the analytics of the videos so you guys can see. So this got 52k views and $129, pretty good. And then this one, let's go to since upload date. This one got 51k views, which is 1,000 less, but it's roughly the same amount of views and half the money. Because like I said, people are more willing to pay or higher pay for these type of videos to advertise on them than they are for like a random beat video. So yeah, that's that. And then I also started very recently super chats, which is when you're doing a live stream and people donate that money to you. I started that like a few days ago, so that's how much I've got so far. And I'm also, since I have 10k subs, I can start doing merch at the bottom of the videos, so watch out for that. That's gonna be coming soon. And yeah, that's pretty much all the information. So make sure to comment if you have any questions, if I missed anything, or if you just have general questions. I'm gonna be answering those in the comment section. And if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. That's gonna help out a lot. And subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want any like one-on-one tutoring on how you can grow your channel and or how you can sell beats or any topic, just hit me up in my email. I do tutoring for $30 an hour or $150 for 16 hours, so pretty cheap. Alright, so that's gonna be the video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Peace.